Every morning, I wrap a roll of toilet paper in aluminum foil. It may look strange, but watch until the end. You'll start doing it too. Place a new toilet paper roll on aluminum foil with the shiny side facing out. Wrap the roll completely and cut off any excess foil. Then, twist one end to form a cylinder, creating a sturdy base. Now, remove the toilet paper from inside. This creates a disposable food container that holds heat well and doesn't need washing. It's perfect for packing breakfast for work. Put styrofoam in the freezer and enjoy lower electricity bills. Have you ever put styrofoam in the fridge? If not, you definitely should. Instead of throwing it away, put it in the freezer. You'll reduce your bills and save on expenses. Styrofoam doesn't absorb moisture and doesn't dissolve in water. It also doesn't conduct heat. It's lightweight and can be crushed and broken into smaller pieces. If you're focused on savings and every penny counts for you, styrofoam can help with that. Simply freeze it. To do this, fit the styrofoam into one of the freezer drawers. Divide it into smaller pieces. Arrange it in the drawer. Insert smaller pieces into the empty spaces. Put the drawer loaded with styrofoam into the freezer. If you have space in another drawer, do the same. Fill it with styrofoam and put it in the freezer. It turns out that this really works. Styrofoam reduces the empty space in the freezer. Every time you open the freezer door, warm air enters. When the freezer is full, less warm air enters. This means the fridge uses less electricity. The same goes for the cooling part of the fridge. If you have a large fridge and few items in it, you can line the empty shelves with styrofoam. By eliminating the empty space in the fridge and freezer, you'll save more energy. Don't store food in ice cream containers. You'll be shocked at what happens to them. You've probably thought you had ice cream in the fridge, only to find dill inside. Many people don't throw away ice cream tubs. Instead, they use them in their kitchens. This is a huge mistake. Ice cream container manufacturers didn't anticipate such uses for the containers. Putting leftovers, meat, salads, or soups in them can be dangerous. My mother-in-law used to do this. But when I told her about it, she immediately stopped. What's the issue? It turns out that some food products interact with the containers. Reusing packaging can allow harmful chemicals to leach into the food. The warm temperature of the dish can precipitate chemical components from it. Ice cream containers are not suitable for storing dairy and eggs. Plastic promotes the growth of dangerous microorganisms. Processed meat loses its taste and nutritional properties. Cheeses may begin to smell musty. Food in such containers molds much faster. Moreover, we should store food in transparent containers. Ice cream containers are colored with chemical paints. The quality and application of this plastic are not intended for refreezing. Apply toothpaste to your fridge gasket. Mold and grime will disappear before you even finish your coffee. No scrubbing pads or stiff brushes needed. The method I'm about to show you is incredibly effective. Grab a small bowl and pour in a 1/4 cup of regular water. Warm water works great. Next, take some toothpaste. Its gentle abrasives and antibacterial properties help lift dirt effectively. Add a small amount of toothpaste to the bowl. Mix well until the paste dissolves. Now add some dish soap. It cuts through grease and helps break down stubborn grime. Add 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient is baking soda. It has cleaning, whitening, and disinfecting properties. 1 tablespoon is enough to create a powerful mixture. Stir thoroughly until everything is well combined and dissolved. Pour the finished solution into a spray bottle. Spray the fridge door gasket generously. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then wipe it clean with a soft cloth. The result? A clean, fresh, whiter gasket with no mold or grime. One simple mix and your fridge will look like new. I always keep a paper towel in the fridge. Some people are surprised by it, but once they try it, they realize it's a brilliant trick. Today, I'll tell you about 2 smart ways to use it. The fridge is a high humidity environment. Moisture collects on the walls, shelves, and food, which makes fruits and vegetables spoil faster and promotes mold. But there's a simple way to prevent it. Just place a paper towel on a shelf. It absorbs excess moisture and helps reduce condensation. If you wrap it around your produce, it will stay fresh much longer. Just remember to replace it regularly when it gets damp. But that's not the only clever use. A paper towel also helps eliminate unpleasant odors. Simply dampen it slightly. It works like a natural sponge for smells. For even better results, sprinkle a teaspoon of baking soda on it. The baking soda neutralizes sour and strong odors, leaving your fridge smelling clean and fresh. It's an easy, low-cost, and completely natural solution to keep your fridge fresh without any chemicals. Place this under the table, and ants will never appear on it again. A simple trick will ensure that no ant will climb onto it. It doesn't matter if you have a table on the balcony, terrace, or in the garden. No ant will touch anything on your table anymore, not even their favorite sugar. No picnic, barbecue, or party will be spoiled by the sight of ants eating the treats meant for guests. My aunt showed me this trick, and I couldn't believe how simple it is. Place small bowls under the table legs. Instead of bowls, you can use jar lids. Place them precisely under the table legs. They will act as an impassable barrier for ants. All you need to do is pour water into them. Ants avoid water. This will block their path to the table. They won't be able to reach the tabletop. You can even keep sugar on it without worrying about finding ants in it. This simple water trick will protect you from these insects in the garden. Use an empty water jug to save space in your fridge with this simple hack. In a few easy steps, you'll create more room for your favorite foods. Start with an empty water jug and cut it into 4 parts. You'll need 2 strips and the bottom of the jug. The top part with the cap can be discarded or kept to cover snacks on a table or patio to protect them from insects. Next, prepare 3 plates for your food. I used 1 plate for apples. Place 1 strip of the jug around the plate with apples, ensuring all the fruits are inside the strip. Then, place another plate on top. I use this one for sliced oranges. Again, place a strip of the jug around this plate. Now it's time for the top tier. I placed a cake on the last plate and put it on top of the previous layers. Finally, cover the plate with the cake using the bottom part of the jug. Now, you can easily fit this makeshift container into your fridge, where fitting 3 separate plates would have been impossible. Additionally, your food is protected from any unwanted insects that might find their way into the fridge. 3 methods that work on pantry moths like the best pesticide. Pantry moths love dry goods. Once they get inside, flour, groats, or other products must be thrown away immediately. That's why I use these natural methods that my grandmother taught me. She hasn't seen a single moth in her home for years. I add bay leaves to containers with groats. They act as a natural moth repellent due to their essential oils, such as eugenol and cineol. Regularly replacing the leaves ensures long-lasting effectiveness. For rice containers, I drop in a few black peppercorns. Their strong, pungent scent, thanks to essential oils like piperine, keeps moths away. As for flour storage, it's crucial to place aluminum foil balls inside the container. With these simple tricks, you can keep your home clean and moth-free. Share this knowledge with your family and friends so everyone can protect their pantry from an infestation.